Sundar Pichai's full name is Pichai Sundararajan. He was born on 10th June 1972 in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. His father, Raghunatha Pichai, was an electrical engineer in General Electric Company. Raghunatha Pichai had a manufacturing plant that produced electrical components. His mother, Lakshmi, was a stenographer. He has one brother. Sundar Pichai's wife, Anjali Pichai, is a chemical engineer, his classmate at IIT Kharagpur. The couple has a daughter, Kavya, and a son, Kiran. Sundar had middle-class life in his childhood. His family lived in a small two-room apartment. Sundar and his brother would sleep on the floor in living room. During his childhood, his family didn't own a TV or a car. Now Sundar is living in a luxurious house in California with 10,000 square feet area built in 2012. Today, his net worth is over $1 billion and is the highest paid CEO in the world. Sundar Pichai grew up without having much access to technology. His family got their first telephone when he was 12. It was a rotary phone. He loved to call his friends and play with it. That telephone cemented his fascination with technology. He was able to remember every phone number he ever dialed. That device sparked his love for technology. He always loved technology while growing up. Now he has 20 to 30 smartphones in his house. Sundar Pichai didn't have regular access to a computer until he came to America for graduate school. There, for the first time in his life, he could use a computer whenever he wanted to. Sundar completed his schooling in Jawahar Vidyalaya, a school in Ashok Nagar, Chennai, and completed the class 12 from Vanavani School. He completed BTech in Metallurgical Engineering from IIT Kharagpur and earned a scholarship to study Material Science and Semiconductor Physics from Stanford University, USA. His father spent the equivalent of a year's salary on his plane ticket to the USA. It was his first time ever on a plane. But when he eventually landed in California, he found America was too expensive. A phone call back home was more than $2 a minute. He felt missing his family and friends. A bright spot for him during this time was computing. After the completion of MS from Stanford University, Sundar planned to pursue a PhD from Stanford and take academic career. But he soon decided that gaining work experience was better. However, he dropped out and joined Applied Materials, a Silicon Valley semiconductor manufacturing company, as an engineer and product manager. He worked there for a short duration of time. Later, he went on to complete MBA from Wharton School, University of Pennsylvania. After MBA, Sundar Pichai joined as a management consultant at McKinsey & Company. Later, Sundar joined Google. Sundar Pichai joined Google in 2004. Sundar attended interview at Google on April Fool's Day. Google launched Gmail on the same day. Like many others, he thought that Gmail was just a joke. Initially, he worked on Google's search toolbar as a part of a small team. That toolbar gave users of Internet Explorer and Firefox easy access to Google search. He also worked on other Google products like Google Gears and Google Pack. The success of Google's toolbar gave Sundar the idea that Google should develop its own browser. He discussed his idea with seniors and faced an objection from then CEO Eric Schmidt, who thought that developing a browser would be a too expensive affair. However, Sundar persevered and convinced the co-founders of Google, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, to launch Google's own browser. Google Chrome, Google's own browser, was launched in 2008, became a great success since it allowed the users to directly access Google's search engine. Google Chrome eventually became #1 browser in the world, and Sundar Pichai, who played key role behind it, became internationally famous figure. The Google Chrome surpassed competitors like Internet Explorer and Firefox and paved the way for a series of other important products like Chrome operating system, Chromebooks, and Chromecast. In 2008, Sundar Pichai was promoted to Vice President of Product Management. By 2012, he had become the Senior Vice President of Chrome and Apps. In 2013, Andy Rubin, the creator of Android, left to work on a different project. Sundar was made in charge of Android as well. One of Sundar's biggest contributions with Android was Android One, which significantly reduced the cost of smartphones. He was made the product chief in 2014. In 2015, Google formed a company, Alphabet Incorporation, to serve as a holding company to own the subsidiaries that were previously owned by Google, including a new slimmed down version of Google itself. On 10th August 2015, Sundar Pichai was named the new CEO of Google. In 2016, Sundar was awarded with a large number of shares in Google's holding company, Alphabet, which increased his net worth to a great level. In 2019, he was named as CEO of Google's parent company, Alphabet as well. Microsoft considered hiring Sundar as CEO in 2014. Twitter tried to hire Sundar as a CEO in 2015. But Google countered with a huge package to keep him there, which made Sundar Pichai highest paid employee in the world. Sundar Pichai did not have any high-level connections or very much money when he came to the USA. He started at the very bottom. The only thing that got Sundar from there to here was a deep passion for technology. Sundar Pichai is a big fan of cricketers Sunil Gavaskar, Sachin Tendulkar, football player Messi, and Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone. Sundar Pichai came from Tamil Brahmin community. He is a vegetarian. Sundar Pichai once said, "It is important to follow your dreams and heart. Do something that excites you." A person who is happy is not because everything is right in his life. He is happy because his attitude towards everything in his life is right. Sundar said, "Wear your failure as a badge of honor." It is always good to work with people who make you feel insecure about yourself. That way, you will constantly keep pushing your limits. Sundar Pichai said, most of how life plays is up to you.